Hey there, I'm Kirti and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and also Mr. Minion says hi to you. So basically today's video is not going to be that college life video or a study vlog. Rather than that, this video is going to be a kind of sit down talk because we are approaching towards the end of October and you know what that means. Exam seasons are here. We are all in that weird phase जहाँ पे हमें पढ़ना तो है but our brain just won't let us study. And you know what? I get it. I honestly get you because I'm in the same phase right now. So in today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple yet productive tips that are helping me stay on track, manage my 2 degrees as well as simplify this entire exam season. So come on, let's make it a little less stressful for you guys. Tip number 1, there's no perfect time to start. You might be waiting for that perfect study routine or that perfect time or perfect schedule, but that's not going to happen. Believe me guys, तुम रुके रहोगे कि एक perfect timetable बनेगा, हम तब पढ़ना शुरू करेंगे, but that's not gonna happen. Even if you start small, even if you start with small steps, one module, one topic, one code at a time, but that's going to add up to your overall progress. Just start small and start right now. क्योंकि अगर तुम engineering students हो, you might have given your JEE or any other entrance examination, but you know that तुम वो perfect timetable के लिए रुके रहे and you didn't start studying. So just start now, start small, and it's going to do better. So tip number 2 is make a realistic plan, not a perfect one. Just stop trying to fix your entire syllabus into 1 week, because that's going to stress the hell out of you. I know that's what most of the engineers do. I don't know about other degrees, but engineers tend to study one night before examination. The amount of anxiety that studying one night before the exam brings you, it's just too overwhelming. I mean, I've been there and I really know how it feels. So here's the thing, you can break your entire work into smaller chunks. It's really fine if you're not able to complete the task that you've assigned for your entire day. You can just take the incomplete task and assign it to the next day or the upcoming days of the week, and it will be fine. Tip number 3, just note down important formulas, major concepts and important keynotes instead of writing everything that you're studying. So when you revise these notes 1 or 2 days before your examination, what you have to do is try to look at the formula and remember the concepts behind it. So how this will help you is that when you're giving your examination, you'll try to recall all the concepts or reconnect the concepts that are behind those formulas or keywords, and after recalling you'll be able to write your answers well. So thank me later. क्योंकि जहाँ तक मुझे पता है मेजरली स्टूडेंट्स के साथ यही होता है, क्योंकि पढ़ तो सभी लेते हैं लेकिन एग्जाम के टाइम पे ही याद नहीं आता क्योंकि रिकॉल ही नहीं कर पाते. Here's when you use the method of recalling. So here comes tip 4. Study when you feel right, not when it looks right. Some people are most focused on 5 AM routines, some pull an all-nighter, but the fact that it's not for everyone, it doesn't matter when you study. What matters is that you show up for yourself consistently no matter what and try to give your best. So here's the thing, if you feel fresh in the morning, just study then. If you feel energized in the night, that's the right time for you. Just stop forcing yourself into someone else's routine which might not even work for you. Also, if you feel scared or anxious, that's a sign that you care for your studies and that you're on the right track. So here we are with the 5th and the final tip. Stop panicking that you don't have enough time. At least for the upcoming exams, you have got almost 1 or 2 months, right? So you're allowed to reset before this exam season comes. During your preparation leaves, give yourself a few days to restart and reset before you go into full focus mode. This will stop you from getting burnt out throughout the exam season. Also, here's an additional tip. Always study according to your exam blueprint and the mark distribution. क्योंकि अगर कोई मॉड्यूल से 5 मार्क का या 10 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आने ही नहीं वाला, so why would you give your time to that and waste your precious time? So always look after the mark distribution and study the modules according to that. Here is also a reminder that not every day is going to be the same and you have to be ready to accept that and to not let that be a reason for you to give up. So yes, if exam season is stressing you out, remember you're not alone in this. Just slow down, one concept, one topic and one code at a time, and you've got this covered. Also, if you guys want to know how I scored 9.8 CGPA in my first year, so just let me know in the comment section and I'll make a full-fledged video of that. So I guess that's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and see you in the next one. Till then, signing off.